Chiva-Som is quite different from other hotels and spas. It's not exactly a hotel, it is a resort. Moreover, it is a health resort. The first thing that strikes you once you enter is this tranquil and serene environment. It is indeed a place to rejuvenate, to unwind and to relax. We strongly believe that there is a connection between how your body functions and your stress level. Unfortunately today, people are really affected by stress very greatly. And we try to take care not only of their body, but also of their mind and spirit. We have modalities, which are like segments aimed at taking care of our guests' wellness. The first is Spa Cuisine, which is crafted so as to nurture your body, to provide it with all the necessary things to help you detox, to help you lose weight, at the same time not feeling too much restricted. There is also physio. There is fitness. And aesthetic beauty. We also have a number of holistic treatments which care about your body and about your mind and soul and help you release your emotions. We have a long-serving team which functions as one, and people who work here, they've been staying with Chiva-Som for 8, 10, 15 or even 20 years. And we are just 21 years old. In my mind, it speaks a lot about the place, and I think that guests find it really comforting when every time they return, there are not only files which contain detailed information about their health, likes, dislikes, personal preferences, and even their whims. We know each of our guests by name. We know how they prefer things to be done. And we try to take care of every simple, small detail because devil is in the detail. Guests feel absolutely safe. That's probably the main thing why you should come, to experience what it is like to be at home, away from home, to experience what it is like to eat nice food.
In Chiva-Som, we pay attention to the detail in the food. We give equally nutrition, tasty, and presentation. Which means if you come to Chiva-Som, if you have allergy thing, we can cut it off or we can put it in, depend on your food preference. If you come to Chiva-Som, you will not get the blank taste of the food. You can get salt taste, sweet taste, because we can find substitute for give the taste to the food. We do have our own organic garden, which we do grow some herb, vegetable, and fruit. We're waiting for you to welcome to Chiva-Som. Greeting from Chiva-Som, the haven of life.
The father of our current CEO, the person who actually established this place, Kun Bon-Chu, he said that most of all we should enjoy our lives. And this is what we try to make a cornerstone of here at Chiva-Som. As we get older, we should be able to live an active life. We try to make people find their pathway to health. Of course, it is impossible to lose 10 kilos or 10 pounds within 3, 5 or 7 days. Of course, it is impossible to treat all your current or chronic conditions within such a short period of time. What is possible to do is to find your way to wellness, which is highly individual and it's very different for each of us.
Welcome to Chiva-Som, Haven of Life.